All right, really quick, rapido, amigo. So this Pablo, he did pretty much everything perfect, you know. See that? All that metal or plenums, he fit it perfectly in, you know. And we have new air filters. Then we have another one right here. So this is 7.5 ton versus to 10 ton. So I just had to disconnect that 110 volts. Then we will be okay. Yeah, it took quite a bit, man. It's not easy to take down old one with the crane. See, right there. It's not that high, like 25 feet. So we sealed everything, whatever is possible, and this is Rim Sales, Portsmouth, Arkansas. No kidding. Yeah. And this is beautiful paradise here. You see the cross? That's a crossroad. If you're in Deaver. Still pretty chilly, man. It's really snow top of the mountain. Still January 3rd week of 2023.